how to find Etsy store link. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, let me show you how you can find your Etsy store link. So for that, you have to go to etsy.com and you will end right here, of course. Now you're gonna open up the store if it's your store or any store that you found on Etsy. For instance, I have a store right here and I actually want to get the link for the store, or I want to find this store on my web. So all you need to do is you're going to actually copy the name of the store just like this. Let's copy. I'm going to go and open up a new tab, and here in the search bar above, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste the name of the store, whatever name it is, and we're going to hit .etsy.com. So that's what you have to write, your store name, and then type .etsy.com. Click enter and it will directly take you to that store on Etsy. So let's see. There you go. It took me right here to the store. This is the exact same store I got the name for. So all you need to do is just copy the name, and then you can find it on, you will get the link for the store right here. So you can see this is the link, and now I can share it. I can also, find it in any of the webs with just .etsy.com. This is how you can find the link for a store on Etsy. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.